How to use Canva AI, Jasper and ChatGPT for content. Follow my instructions. In 2025, creating content with AI is faster and easier than ever, and tools like Canva AI, Jasper and ChatGPT make the process seamless. Start with ChatGPT or Jasper for copywriting. You can generate ad copy, blog intros, product descriptions, or even social media posts by simply giving a prompt like, "Write 3 Facebook ad headlines for a skincare brand," and the AI delivers optimized, engaging results in seconds. Once your copy is ready, switch to Canva AI for design. In the Canva editor, use the Magic Design or Magic Write features to generate visuals, social post layouts, or marketing graphics. Upload your product image or give Canva a short text prompt, for example. Instagram post for 50% off sale with bold text and bright background. Canva AI instantly builds polished templates you can tweak and publish. You can also use Canva's AI background remover, resize tools, and brand kit features to keep everything consistent and professional. Whether you're creating Instagram carousels, YouTube thumbnails, or Pinterest graphics, Canva AI speeds up the process. Together, ChatGPT or Jasper for writing, and Canva AI for visuals, give you a full content production workflow powered by automation. You save hours, maintain quality, and scale your output across platforms. Perfect for solo creators, marketers, and small businesses. Thanks for watching.